Okay. Right. Share the screen. So what was the answer?
It's spine and leaf model for data center.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let us start now. Again, we'll go back. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, I connected through my mobile hotspot now.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So my hotspot it is working now. Now this is, you see, now I'm going to copy paste the spine and leaf model now. Yesterday we saw, right, spine and leaf
Yes, sir.
model. So in the spine and leaf model, what is the two layers? What are the two layers in spine and leaf model?
Two layers.
Spine and the leaf, correct?
Yes, sir. Spine and leaf. Yes.
That's it. Now I am going to put one server. This server I'm going to protect. Now we are studying, not going to study the design model. What we are
Mm.
going to learn today is security architecture. But to understand security architecture, first you need to know the design, network design, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm
Security.
just drawing a network design so you can understand that. I'm putting two server and I'm
Mm.
connecting these servers to the spine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is connected to your router and this router connected to your
Mm.
one
So, what is
IS
the CSW1,
core switch,
DSW1? Code switch?
core
Okay.
switch,
Distribution?
distribution switch, access switch.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you have one okay, like this. This is your ISP.
Okay.
This is your internet. Yesterday we studied about VPN, right?
Yes, sir. We studied
So
it.
VPN is what?
Virtual private network.
It's virtual private network where working from home
Yes, working from.
person will connect through that LAN network.
Yes, LAN network.
LAN network. That time you will get this. Think internet is back. I'll try now.
Yes, sir.
Cisco, I'll try again now.
Mm.
Disconnect this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're able to hear me, right? Now
Yes,
this
I
is
can hear
connected.
you.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's okay. Now if it goes on again, I'll change to my hotspot.
okay, sir.
Hotspot is our backup.
Okay.
Like this. Now we have to manage. Now now this working from home is connected to again one ISP. From ISP it is going to a service provider. Correct. That's it. So we connected. Now the hacker yesterday gave a name for the hacker. What is the name of the hacker?
Smiley hack. Smiley hacker.
This hacker, yes, is Smiley hacker. Yes, he's Smiley hacker. Okay. Smiling all.
What is this?
He is like, you know,
So your voice
you're able
is
to hear me?
breaking. Now I
You're
can
able to hear me?
hear. Yes, now I can hear, sir.
Hmm. So what is the social engineering attack?
What, sir? Which attack?
Social engineering attack.
Sorry, your voice is breaking, sir. What?
Attacking, wait. Hmm. Now see, is it okay? Voice is okay?
Yes, now it's clear, sir.
But Cisco's voice is breaking, right?
Yeah,
So
Cisco
my
voice is good.
hotspot is okay. My hotspot is okay. Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Cisco is very slow, sir.
Very slow. Hmm. Okay, anyhow. Now, what is social engineering attack? My mute.
Which
What is
what
social
type?
engineering attack?
Source engineering attack,
No,
sir.
not so. Social engineering.
Social engineering attack is
Hmm.
um, like they will actually behave like, you know, some, or they'll copy the, like, for example, any kind of mail ID,
Hmm.
or they'll copy and they will just do
Hmm.
some modification in that, and they will send as though the mail is coming from the legitimate you know,
Hmm. Right. This is one
website.
that is called phishing attack. What attack?
Phishing attack.
The attack is called phishing attack.
Mm.
Basically, what they do is they will gain your confidence.
Yes.
Then they will, once they gain your confidence, next step what they will do?
Mm.
They will use
They
that,
will
use
use.
that, and they will take your get unauthorized access and get steal the data. Right
Yes, sir.
now, this is they will do without technical, just talking, by talking only, by talking, mail, just communication.
Yes, calling.
Not
They
like
will
hacking,
call.
like using tools, all these things. Just by calling, speaking, sending
Uh,
message. Socially, they will
yes,
social. They'll come in
social.
the social networks, right? So that
Yes,
time,
sir.
every time he
Correct.
will smile nicely. He will good smile. He will do. So he will say, "Oh, good person." You'll think, right?
Yes, yes,
That's
sir.
why I
They will.
teach you. That's why the
Mm.
hacker is called smiley hacker. Understood? He's very smiley hacker, so he knows how to hack everybody. So now this data center is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this is data center. Clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Now Now let us start. First, yesterday we discussed about VPN. So VPN is, we'll put a VPN box here, right? That is my
Yes.
VPN server.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put this box here. VPN server. And now today I'm going to teach you all the security components in the enterprise.
Okay.
Okay, that is today's topic.
Mm.
So now to after this class, any security device in the world, you will understand. Okay, this is here, this is here, this device is doing this function, purpose and function. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So what two topics we're going to study today? First is security design principles. First topic is what?
Security design principles.
Principles. One topic I'll teach you. Second topic is security devices, purpose and function. Security devices, where we need this device and what is the purpose and what this device will do, function. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Two topics we'll study today. This is today's topics. So I'll start with the first. We discussed yesterday, we already discussed about VPN server, VPN client. This is what VPN, remote access VPN, right? What we call this VPN? RAVPN. RAVPN means what? Remote access VPN.
Remote access. Okay.
Next, we'll take one more router, which is going to head office.
Okay.
branch office, and we have a WAN connection here. What we call that VPN? WAN service provider,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
This WAN service provider I'm connecting, but I want to put more security here, so I'll put router to router. I'll create a tunnel. What is that? This VPN we call?
Intranet.
Oh, correct.
Ah.
Internet is the WAN type.
Yeah, one type.
What is this VPN called?
Site to site.
Yes, correct answer. Site to site VPN. Okay, now this is the tunnel, right?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
This tunnel, so site to site VPN. Next, now this is one yesterday we saw one security device. I explained you tunneling and encryption it will be done after, because of that physically it will become a, though physically it's a public network, virtually it will become a
private network.
private network. That's all called VPN. Next, today we are going to study some extra security devices. First, I'm going to teach you firewall. Firewall is, what is firewall? Let me write down here. Okay, firewall is here first line of defense. First line defense means what? This is the first device which will be protecting you. Okay. Then this is the, this firewall will divide, or you can say segment, trusted and untrusted zone. Segment means dividing. Okay.
Okay.
Segmenting, dividing, trusted, untrusted zone. Next, this is the by default deny all. Deny all. It will not allow anybody by default. This is the nature of firewall. See what router will do, right? Router will by default deny everybody.
Okay, this firewall
switch will by default allow, deny all. Sorry, by default permit any. Permit everyone, router and switch. But firewall is reverse. Understand? That's why it's a security device.
Okay.
You understand the difference between router and firewall? See, router by default allow everyone. If you want to stop that, you have to configure something called access list.
Okay.
Then only it will stop.
That
Okay.
ACL.
Access control list. Correct. Then only it will stop. But firewall, no, by default it will block everyone. If you want to allow, you have to configure ACL.
Okay.
Understand? To permit, you have to configure ACL. Reverse understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Why firewall is first, why router is second. So I'm going to put a firewall here now.
So where is this what is this firewall in this in between, son?
I'm putting here. See, I'm putting here. See.
Okay.
So this is my firewall.
Okay.
Now this firewall is, what is the function of firewall? I told you. This is the first line of defense. This is public, private, from public
and
to.
it will deny all by default.
Yeah, by default, this is the nature of the firewall. So this is my private. Right.
Okay.
So this is my untrusted zone. I can trust this. Your house is there, no? Inside your compound, you will trust, right?
Yes,
outside your compound, you will not trust, na?
Yes, correct.
This is your trusted zone. So this side is outside your compound. What you will say? No, I will not trust anybody outside.
Untrusted, yes.
Untrusted zone. So this is the device which is dividing the trusted and untrusted zone. Yes. This device has 3 interfaces. Inside, outside.
This firewall has 3. Okay.
3 interfaces. Inside, outside. Third one is DMZ.
DMZ. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Third interface is called what?
Demilitarized zone.
Zone. This is also one zone. This is trusted zone, untrusted zone. This is demilitarized zone.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is this demilitarized zone? For example, I give an analogy just to understand this. Now, you are think like you are staying in a big apartment. Okay. In this apartment, four buildings are there.
Okay.
So each building is staying big politicians, actors, actresses, Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt, everybody staying.
Okay, sir.
So who else? Right now, all are having big politicians are staying. Right, Kumaraswamy, Yediyurappa. So much money, gold will be there, no?
Yes, sir.
So the hackers are outside. They are waiting to hack.
Yes.
Thief. Now you are the association secretary for this apartment.
Okay.
They told you, madam, we need to protect these assets inside these buildings.
Okay.
So what is the security countermeasure? What is the security measures you will do?
First, guards, like security guards, I'll keep.
How do you put security guard for all? This is compound wall.
First, it will be covered by strong walls.
Okay.
Then
so people
fence.
can jump now.
Yeah, fence will be there, so that fence.
Electrical fence you'll put.
Yes, electrical fence.
You seen in Honeywell there is a.
Yes. Electrical.
Fence, big
Means
electrical
if
fence.
they try to touch also, electric shock.
They want to say, they will say electrical shock. Nobody will jump.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this is you put electrical fence, but people has to come inside and go, no? So you need to have a gate, right?
Yes, small gate will be there.
So gate will be there for coming one gate, going one gate. You seen in the big hospitals,
Yes,
no?
yes, sir,
For
correct.
coming one gate, going one gate.
Yes.
For inside one gate, outside one gate. Understood now? To interface.
Yes, sir.
So you put security guys here.
Yes, near
So
the gate.
You put Rambo. No Rambo.
Yes, sir.
Commando, you know?
Yes, sir.
Movies, you know? Rambo, Commando.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Like that guy, Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger. Put everybody stand here and give a list to them. What list you will give? Access control list. And tell them, boss, these guys are permit, these guys are denied.
Okay.
Understood? So whoever is coming inside, he will check. Okay, you are permit, go. No, you are denied, don't go outside. Like that. Okay. Now what is happening in this apartment? There is some 10-15 children are there. They want to show their talent to the public.
Okay.
They are asking, auntie, we want to show the talent to the public. Allow the public inside. We want to do a small fancy dress competition.
Okay.
So you'll allow?
No.
You allow the public inside?
No, sir.
But they are telling, no, we need to show the talent to the public. It is our children's life. It is. So we have to show them our talents to the public. So how do we do? So you say, okay, I will create a small area where public can come and go, but it is not, they cannot come inside. So how I'll do in my area, private zone, trusted zone, I'm going to create a small area.
Okay.
Understood? This is little bit, I'm reducing the security here. I'm allowing them people to come and go. Who?
Okay. The public.
Understand? Now the public can come and go. Understand? This zone is, I'll build a small auditorium here.
Yeah, small auditorium. Yes. Okay.
Auditorium. So in the auditorium, what I will say? People can come and see this, whatever show you want to show, you show them. Fancy dress competition, whatever you want to show, you show them. So they will, public will see and go. Understood, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now the public is coming and going in this way. They will come, they will see, and they will go out. But they cannot come inside the trusted zone. This is trusted zone.
Okay.
Understood?
This full is trusted zone. Okay.
In the trusted zone, you have a lot of assets, which is inside. Understood? This is inside, right? So now this is outside, untrusted zone, right? This is my DMZ, demilitarized zone.
So your voice is breaking.
Yeah, demilitarized zone. Okay.
What's a demilitarized?
Is it okay now?
Yeah, just now it little bit it was not audible.
Is it
Now
okay
it's
now?
clear, sir.
Hmm?
Now also it's breaking, sir.
Is it breaking or
Breaking.
clear? Now tell me after this. Now it is changing now. Is it okay now? Hello? Is it okay now?
Now it's okay, sir. Hello?
Yeah, you able to hear me?
Yeah, now it's fine, sir.
No, it's fine, huh?
Mm.
Cisco, you're getting access, right? Is it clear? Can I continue? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. So this is inside is trusted zone, inside. Outside is untrusted zone.
Yes, outside is untrusted zone. So now you created a small zone where you can allow the public coming and going, correct?
Hello?
Yes, yes. You're able to hear me?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Clear now, right? Is this clear?
It's breaking again.
I'm changing the user again, changing the service provider.
Okay.
Now see,
Okay,
now
sir.
see it is okay, okay?
Yes, sir.
If anywhere you feel the difference, let me know. So this is clear now? This analogy is clear, firewall analogy?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, I will copy paste.
So this firewall is always what to say? It's always protected this way with trusted, untrusted zone.
That is
And
the function of purpose of firewall.
okay, and it
Why?
will deny
What
by
is the use of?
default.
What is the use of firewall is to prevent from
Hackers.
to divide the trusted and untrusted zone. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So there the DMZ, right? I'm connecting one device. DM.
Your voice is breaking.
DM
Sir,
switch.
sorry, your voice is breaking.
Why
Okay,
is this
now
breaking again?
now it's okay, sir.
Yeah,
I'm
because it
getting.
is a hotspot now. It is running in hotspot.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so because it is my hotspot. So
Yes, sir.
Cisco still I don't know. We have that Cisco. Let me
No
see.
problem, sir. It's clear for as of now.
Yeah, it is coming and going down. No. Okay, 14, 15, 14, 15, 14, 14. Okay, let's see 14. Let's disconnect and see now. What is the speed? 14. It's okay, na?
Okay, sir. Yes, it's clear now.
It's clear now, right? Clear, na?
Yes,
14,
sir.
14, 14.
Yes.
You see that, right? 14, 14, 14 is
Yes,
coming.
yes, I can see.
So this is your standard. Now what we were discussing was 3 zones or 3 interfaces in firewall, inside, outside, DMZ. That is clear?
Yes, so what is the DMZ? What is the purpose of that?
That is to allow the public inside for some particular resources. I want to allow some website, for example. I want to allow one website to the public, my company website. So what I will do, I'll create a web server here. Inside the web server, I'll put the website. This is for like a fancy dress competition. I want to show my fancy dress, my talent to the public, my company website. and I want to share some documents with the company, like some to public, like some company brochure, you know, some documents like that, the file server. So these details I want to share to whom? Public. But when the public is coming, I don't want them to come to the my zone, private trusted zone. So I created a small area where the public will come and go. That is called a firewall. Understood now? This zone is called what we call?
Firewall.
DMZ.
DMZ.
The device is firewall. So this zone is called what? DMZ. And the switch is called DMZ switch.
DMZ switch.
The switch is called what?
DMZ
switch.
And this will only like allow any outside you know.
So when the outside people want to access something, so they will, it will allow.
It will come and go from here. That's all.
See, like this. Now in the firewall, this guy is coming. He'll come like this. He'll go to outside. From outside, he'll go to DMZ. He'll access this website. Then again he'll go back. But he cannot go inside.
Yes, it cannot go inside. Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
so
sir, got it.
Analogy, if you understand, you are coming inside the compound, but from that auditorium, you cannot go inside the compound. You can only see that auditorium and go out. But you are coming inside the compound. I created a small area for you to come and go. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That is called demilitarized. Military zone, nobody can come. Demilitarized means little bit security less. Demilitarized.
Yes, demilitarized.
Next topic, this is firewall. The next one I'm going to teach you is the next topic today is this one, IDS IPS.
Intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system.
So how do I differentiate IDS and IPS? How do I say this is IDS, this is IPS? Somebody say this is, what is this, IDS or IPS? If they ask, how do I say no, this is IDS, this is IPS?
IDS only detect. IPS.
Correct. Detection, prevention. But okay, but when I see a device, how do I know this is IDS, IPS?
That I'm not sure, sir.
So for that, I'm going to teach you first question. How do I find IDS, IPS? Or how do I classify IDS, IPS? The answer is, there is a device called a sensor.
Sensor.
One line answer is placement of sensor. What is the answer?
Placement of sensor.
How do I differentiate the IDS, IPS? By the placement of sensor. Now when I place the sensor here, right, this is called a inline mode.
Is this also a part of firewall or?
No, it's just, see, it's all function.
Function.
All these three, right? Firewall, router, IDS, IPS, everything can be one box.
It will be in
I told you yesterday, remember?
Yes, sir. Yes.
AAC. All can be router, switch, firewall, IDS, IPS, everything can be one box. More than that, not only this, more than that, extra, so many functions. But we have dedicated boxes also available. Understand?
Okay.
Or when we go for dedicated box, like your mother is there, mother can cook, right? Tiffin, lunch. How many people she can cook? How many people she can cook? Tiffin and lunch and dinner. 4 people, 5 people, 10 people, 10 people. Okay.
10
now
people.
You have a marriage. 10,000 people are coming. She will cook.
No.
We need dedicated people for morning tiffin. One people, right? Dedicated servers.
Yes.
Who will serve food, right?
Yes.
So we have dedicated servers for why the number of users are more. So when number of users are more, we need dedicated resources, separate boxes. Number of resources are less, we can go for one box.
One box.
Understood? Now when we use one box, when we use multiple boxes, depends on the number of users.
Okay, sir.
You got the answer now, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I am teaching you function. I'm not teaching you the make and model. Make and model we'll see later. That is not our topic. Our topic now is what is this firewall? What is router? What is switch? What is VPN? What is IDS? What is IPS? What is WSA? What is ESA? Like there are so many topics are there. All the functions will teach you. All these functions one box will do. That finally I'll tell you. The name of the box is FTD. All will do one box. FTD will say. But that all I'll tell you later. Don't worry about now. Now what you focus is function. One by one function I'll teach you. Security function. As I told you, it can do separate boxes also available. You can make one box also. It depends on number of users.
Okay.
Let's start. First, I'm teaching you the placement of sensor decides IDS IPS. Now I place the sensor here. It's called inline mode. I'll place the same sensor here. It's called out of band mode. Okay, what mode?
Out of
band mode. Let us write down here. OOB means out of band mode. Now what is the difference here is in inline mode, every packet has to go through this sensor. Now this sensor can scan like you are standing in the mall entrance. You are scanning each and everybody.
Yes, sir.
Something like standing in the scanner, frisking everybody. If you have any doubt, anybody is carrying anything, you can stop them there itself. Right? That is like inline mode. Now you are sitting, same person, you're sitting in a CCTV room and you're seeing in the camera. Now the same thing, what you can do, if any issue comes, right, you alert them. Boss, I am seeing one person in this floor one near this Reliance showroom. One guy is standing a little bit drunk. I feel like you just catch him. So you can call and alert him, right? Alert the other guys.
Okay.
That is IDS.
IDS.
You cannot block him, stop him, but you can alert the others to block him. Understand IDS IPS?
Yes,
same
sir.
box, same person only. When you stand in line, you call as IPS. When you when you place yourself in out of band, you call as
IDS.
IDS. Difference understood now? IDS IPS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Box is same device. No difference in the device.
That out band is they'll just alert.
I'll write down what it will do. 1, scan traffic. Okay.
Yes,
2,
sir.
detect attack. Any attacks are happening, DOS attack, phishing attack. It will detect whatever attacks are there. Step 3, alert. Send alerts.
Yes, send alerts.
This is your IDS. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what this guy will do, first 3 is same again. He can also do 3. Third step is what? Block.
Okay.
Understood. Why he can block? Because he is in inline mode.
Yeah.
Understood. Otherwise he cannot block, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, correct.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
This is IDS IPS difference. So if you see the make and model, you can go and just type in Cisco IPS sensor. Just type like this, you'll get that. Okay, that's box. This is the sensor. The model number is 4255.
Okay, it looks like this.
Look like a box like this. See like this. Backside there are 4 ports are there, no?
Yes, sir.
Like the ports are there. Like this is the way the sensor look like. But again, this is IPS they mentioned. So if you place it in out of band mode, the same box will become IDS.
Okay.
How do you place this box? Decides it is IPS or IDS.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay. Yes. So how it is placed? Where? Which side it is? Okay.
That decides your IPS IDS. Clear? No, box is only one box only.
Okay. But does this come by default with firewall or?
No, firewall is different. IPS is different.
Okay, that's different.
He is a Tiffin cook server. Tiffin guy. Lunch guy is different. They don't do Tiffin. Lunch guy will not do Tiffin. But everything mother will do. Right, mother will cook lunch, tiffin, dinner, all 3. But when you go for a marriage, no, we will have dedicated people for tiffin. Dedicated team will come for marriage. Like different resources will be there.
Yes.
They are expert only on that, right? Like that. This is IPS, only IPS.
Okay.
Understand? This is we call it as only IPS. You got it, now?
Yes, sir. Got it.
This is Cisco IPS 4240 sensor. The name I'll write down. Okay. Cisco IPS. What is the number? 4240 sensor. Something like that. 4240. So many numbers are there. But this is a dedicated box. As I told you, all will have one single box. That is ASA, FTD, firepower. Other that we'll discuss later. But as of now, I'm teaching separate box only. Same way. There is a firewall, Cisco firewall. If you type, see that. What is the make and model? This is the Cisco firewall. ASA 5506.
Okay.
The different range is there. ASA different ranges there. So as of now, just write down ASA 55. What is it? 55106. I'll put enough. Right? ASA 5506. This is the make and model of one firewall. Simple.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Sir.
Just give one an example. VPN. Same file. This ASA will do same. So you don't need to worry about that. ASA will do the same function. VPN job he will do also. Understood?
Okay.
ASA 5560 will do VPN also. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Now, this is what we studied now. Firewall, IPS, IDS, VPN. Next, I'm going to talk about some other servers. One by one, I'll write down. One.
In this diagram, so where is that ACL be there? ACL will be there.
ACL, you can configure anywhere ACL. It's a service.
Anywhere it can be.
You can configure. It's a service. You are saying that whom to permit. See, ACL means you know what? You're going and buying some fruits, na? So you create a list, right? Mango, half kg. Like that, you create a list, no? Grocery list.
Correct.
Like that, you're going to create a access control list saying that permit 192.168.1 denied like this. So you're creating a list of permit and deny statements.
Okay.
And that list you will give to the computer device and tell them based on the list you allow, don't allow.
Okay.
It is a service. It is a service you can configure in switch, router, right?
Even
firewall,
in firewall also. Okay.
Switch, router, firewall, any device it will support. Understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
It's a service.
Just a service. It's not
a device.
Not a device. Okay.
See, there are some services that I'll write down here for you. If I just want to understand IP services. Okay. Now network services are there. Security services are there. Alright, let me put just services. Don't want to confuse you now. So ACL, NAT, DNS, DHCP. Okay. NTP, HSRP, NTP, TFTP. These all are what?
Services.
It's all are services. One I'll tell you what is the services also. Okay. TFTP, TFP. NTP, TFTP, FTP. That's it. So these all are the services.
Okay.
What these services will do, we need to configure these services. So to make the device, the network to work, that's it.
Okay.
These services you can configure in any device. It's not like only for Cisco or only for, you understand, right?
Yes, sir. It can be just configured the
any
service.
Device. And one more thing is syslog. Syslog. DNS, GCP, syslog, NTP, HSRP, NAT, ACL, TFTP. I written everything. There are so many protocols are there. I'm just writing that important one, which is important for to run the company. So this NAT, what is NAT?
NAT is like a private.
Yes, in router we'll generally configure NAT.
Yes.
See, when you want to go to public network, you need a public IP.
Yes, public IP.
But we don't have public IP. We'll not put public IP inside the network LAN. So we use private IP here. So somebody has to translate from public IP to private IP, private IP to public IP. So that time we use NAT. Understand? So NAT is configured. Network address translation.
Okay, network address translation.
Network address translating from private to public, public to private. Now ACL will configure where? In firewall.
Or even this routers, switches, anywhere.
Anywhere you can configure. It's a service. Right? I'm just putting two places just to explain that.
Okay, sir.
So DNS server, what is DNS? What is DNS?
Domain
name. It will translate into, I give the IP address of this website. So we have one DNS server here. Right? DHCP server automatically configuring the IP address of the client PC. We put a DHCP server here, right? Understand?
The DHCP full form what's
Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol.
Okay, dynamic
configuration protocol. It's a configuring protocol.
Configuration. Okay.
HSRP is if you have two routers, for example, two service providers are there now, automatically shift changing to it's a L3 redundancy protocol, hot standby redundancy protocol. Hot standby redundancy protocol. NTP, you know, NTP is a network time protocol. To maintain time in all the devices, we have
network time.
TFTP is basically to maintain all the device configurations.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of TFTP? In TFTP, we'll have all device configurations available. For example, one router got burnt, okay? You're putting a new router. Again, you don't need to configure. The configuration will be there in this server.
Okay,
you copy paste from here and just one command, the whole configuration will come back again to R1.
Okay, that's TFTP, trivial file.
Understand? This is TFTP. Yes, like that, so many services are there. One of the services is ACL.
Okay, okay, got it.
This is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Syslog is logs. What are the logs?
All the logs are
log of the devices.
Okay.
So we'll have a syslog server here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Simple like that. Now you are clear now?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Server. That's it. Now what I'm going to teach you is, apart from other these are the services, okay? Apart from this, we are discussing about security now.
Yes.
Let us take some security devices, extra devices. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can keep on putting so many things, but I'll stop to one stage and we will continue. Then whenever you want, you can add yourself.
Yes.
So these all are the devices. Now what I'm going to teach you is some devices which is connected to the one by one. I'll take. First is WSA. You know antivirus, right? That you know, anti-malware.
Yes, anti-malware.
Antivirus. I don't want to tell you separate. Anti-malware. Anti-malware will say nowadays. Anti-malware server. Okay.
Okay.
One anti-malware server you have. Keep it here. This is anti-malware. So now WSA, ESA, MDM, and one more is AAA. Okay, let us stop that. Then I'll take one more server, only one server, extra server. That server I'll separately keep it here. That server is called SIEM. What is that server?
SIEM.
I'll tell you one by one. Okay. Now this is all the different devices, right? Yes, connected to the data center. These all are security devices.
Okay.
Okay. One by one, I'll tell you what it will do one by one. Okay. First WSA. I'll write down here one by one. WSA. What is WSA? Web Security Appliance. See, when you log into website, right, there are so many attacks will happen.
Yes.
Related to website applications.
Yes, sir.
So how do I protect from web security? Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is web security. There's a box called the web WSA. If you install that, you can do it. Now again, I told you, I mentioned a separate box. Everything can be done in one box also.
Yes,
always remember. Don't think that in every company will have like so many boxes. Okay.
Okay.
You got the idea, no?
Yes, sir. It can be in one box.
All one box. That also tell you. I will tell you what that one box also. Last I'll tell you.
Okay. Sure.
Each has separate box also, one box also. If you go and search now, Cisco ESA, you will see that one box will be there for ESA. Okay. This is Cisco ESA, Email Security Appliance. Can you see that?
Yes.
There is one box called ESA also. So, but the point here is, this is for whatever attacks are coming from your email.
Okay.
So when you receive an email, in email there is an attachment, one malware is coming.
Yes,
that it will protect this box. Understand?
but it's like if any company depends like company to company. So if they want, they will keep, or based on requirement
Keep,
only.
no, otherwise what will happen? You are come from the in the email somebody send a malware, it will reach to everybody. What will happen?
So all this will by default be there in all the companies. Sir?
See, understand one thing here. You know, Jet security. Jet security means, you know what? Jet's Black Hat security.
Black Hat.
What is Black Hat security?
Means they are
Highest
protecting
security in the world.
Yes.
America president, right? He will have one security, black cards. 10 people will stand always with him. You seen that? A
Yes.
car will come, bulletproof car.
Correct.
Okay. Whenever he is coming, going anywhere, full security will be there, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
there is one beggar in your street. He will get that security, yeah?
No.
Why?
Because he's not that important. Like.
Yes, the assert value.
Okay.
When the beggar dies, nobody worries. But as when, for example, Modi dies, right? The whole India will be problem.
Yes.
Because there are so many issues will correct. So who will handle that? Understand?
Yes.
So the assert value, right? Based on that, you put security. And for him, there is why they're putting that security is their attack is there for him. If it is not that, somebody will attack him. Who will attack the beggar?
Nobody.
That's why you want Black Hat. One guy will stand with machine gun, AK-47 with him, with the beggar. Every beggar will put. So that is not going to help. So no, I have this device, AK-47 and one commander I have. I'll put to every beggar. Then that is not the way. So security is based on the
asset value.
What is happening? One is asset value. Second is that attack will happen to him or not?
Okay.
See, for example, there is a big asset, but the attack is happening only. We'll put no.
Yes, correct.
Otherwise, why you'll put security?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
When nobody is there in the shop, suddenly started cooking tea, coffee, everything. Yeah. Then they'll ask why you are cooking. Yeah, nobody is there in the shop. No customer. Right. It's based on the same common sense is in security also. So many security products are there. When we use which product depends on the requirement. Customer condition, customer asset value, customer threat. I'll teach you what is threat. Threat means ongoing attacks. See, there is an attack. I'll show you one attack. Just to show you like real-time attacks. Okay, how real attacks are happening. It's called threat. We'll say it's called threat. So there is a website called Checkpoint Threat Map. It will show you worldwide now what all the attacks are happening. It's now happening real time, ongoing attacks.
Okay.
See, United States is hitting France. This is the attacks.
That name red of color.
Red color is one type of attack. A different color, different type of attacks are there. See, malware is red color. Phishing is this color, violet color. Yellow is exploit. India, see, India is hitting himself. Somebody, see that?
Yes.
These are the attacks happening. It's a live attack. Like that, you have to go to a company, install this software, and it will capture and show you like that real attacks. Based on that, you need to put these devices. Understand now?
Okay.
See, when you want to recommend some box, some service, some security countermeasures, right? It's not just like that. I'll say, I know this device, use this. 10 lakhs, give me. Nobody will give. Understand? I know one new device, firewall, good firewall. Just buy that. Just 10 crores, give me. Means company will give.
No.
So what you have to do, you have to go to the company, install this software. Checkpoint, Checkpoint is the famous one. Install Checkpoint. Checkpoint will show you. It's one of the big antivirus Checkpoint. Okay, so security service provider Checkpoint. Install Checkpoint, and Checkpoint will show you same way what all the attacks are happening to your company. Then based on the attacks, you decide what security you have to put and protect the company.
This is the real-time ongoing.
This is real time.
This can be captured also. Like suppose if someone wants to capture this and like investigate what is this, whether
who's going to investigate?
No, I'm just asking in general.
You can do it. If you have time, you go and do it.
No.
See, there are so many. You open the news. How many attacks are showing? in news. You are going and investigating every crime in the world.
No, because
Same way.
In my team, there are some like resources who keep sending this every day. So I was just generally asking.
There is a team. There is a dedicated team for every country. Okay, they will be working on this, but common people will not do this.
Yeah, common people cannot do
police
this.
Will do it, but news is coming all the day, no? This is still happened, somebody killed somebody raped somebody. Daily news is coming, no?
Yes.
Crimes are happening, right? Crimes are happening. This is cyber crimes. Understand?
Okay.
The news reader. Even I will get so many news daily. See, I am the member of one community like that. Okay, I'll show you that. See, see this. I'll see. OTX, Alien. This is the new version of Pylon DG attack. So these all are the attacks. I'll show you something like that.
Oh, okay.
I'll get so many attacks, phishing attacks, adware. So they will keep on sending me message. I'm part of this group. I'm part of this community as a thread exchange. They will share all the new threats to me.
Okay.
Daily I will get 10 mails. What are the new attacks are coming? Threats are coming in the world.
Okay.
So like that, you must be part of the community. Then you can start working on it, and you can, if you have time, you can go and troubleshoot. But understand, once you start seeing the devil also will see you. Okay. Understood the story, right? Once you start seeing the ghost will also see you. You are entering in that ghost world. Understood, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Then so will also
even the hackers might.
That's what I'm saying. I'm a hacker now. I'll daily see 10 hackers. 10 hackers will see me also now. You understand?
I got it. Okay.
So now I know how to handle the hackers. That's why I said simple example. When I started seeing ghost will also see me.
Okay.
So once you must be equipped to handle the ghost. Otherwise, don't see the ghost. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
But no, you must always have the knowledge how to handle these people.
Yes, correct.
Otherwise, once you enter in this, it's called dark web. What we call this?
Dark web.
I'm just showing you the picture of dark web. Once you enter inside the dark, this is called dark web. Once you enter inside the dark web, right, so many attacks will happen. Within 2 minutes, your whole laptop will be crashed. Whole bank account will be taken. Money will be taken within 10 minutes.
Oh my God.
Okay. So that's all you have to ready with that.
No.
Because there are people are ready. They are just trying. You are just putting the hand inside the ant. You know what is that? Ant mountain. The ant will bite, no? Or bee.
No, yes.
So these all are dangerous. But what I'm trying to say is this is real-time attacks worldwide. People are there. See, like I'm also one part of the community. I'm also doing, but not one person. I'm a huge community.
No,
so I'm the only person I'm not doing. I'm part of I'm a white hacker. So I do a lot of things like that. But but make sure that you are part of the community. You cannot just like that. You cannot do it.
Yes.
Just have a legal support. If you're a black hat, you need to go through dark web. If you're a white hat, you need to have like this open communities are there. You have to join one of the community
and
work with
that penetration
testing. Penetration testing. See, that all are penetration testing. That all are white hat ka job.
White hat job. Yes.
But I'll teach you when it comes to this one. I'll teach you all the attack. What is penetration testing? What is vulnerability assessment? What is forensics? We'll discuss on that. So now what I was telling is when we use what device is not depend on the devices, depends on the attacks.
Okay.
So what is the attack you need to understand. So based on the attack only we are going to understood.
Yes,
we are going to decide the what device. Let us go back to the devices now.
Okay.
Now, first what I told you, WSA. Second I told you, ESA.
Email security appliance.
Next I'm going to talk about MDM. MDM is mobile device management. Now so many mobile devices are coming inside now. It's called BYOD. What is BYOD?
Bring your own device.
Yes, nowadays everybody is telling bring your own laptop, one mobile. Okay, so what is the problem now? Because you're bringing your own laptop, one mobile, correct to our company network, right?
Yes, sir.
How do I know your device is secure? If you inject from your laptop, you inject one virus, what I will do?
Yes.
You got my idea?
Yes, got it.
So there is one server which will protect all these laptops, mobile phones, mobile devices, not only mobile phone, mobile devices, laptop,
mobile devices.
any laptop, anything connecting through wireless access point, WAP,
Okay.
right? Via
Yes.
mobile devices. So that is one server that is for protecting the mobile devices security. The next one is AAA. What is AAA? Authentication, authorization, accounting. Right? Authentication means who can access. Who can access. Right? Now
Yes,
anybody
sir.
can access any system in the company.
No.
Now you are allowing somebody in home. You allow anybody in home.
No.
Some people will allow. In that one person is coming inside your home. You can come to your bedroom directly. No.
No.
He has a limitation. He can come to hall, common
Yes.
bathroom. That's it.
Yes.
Apart from that, he cannot. So what can be accessed?
Okay.
So you can come inside the home, but what you can access?
What
That is
can
next. That is authorization.
authorization?
Understand, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'll allow the house in till hall. I'll allow him. Common bathroom, I can give access. After that, if you ask, he'll say, boss, you are not allowed to come inside.
Yes.
What
Yes.
can be accessed? Understood?
Yes.
Authorization. Now next, what I do, whatever you do, I'll maintain the log record.
Record
What
of.
you did. That is accounting.
Okay.
Accounting means what? What you did.
Yes.
Right? Understood? There are one
Yes,
server
sir.
is there, AAA server. What that server will do is it will first say who can access. Second, he will say what can be accessed. You cannot access this server. You can access this server. Like that, he will say what you can access. Your user, right? Then third, he will say whatever you do, I'll maintain your log. So tomorrow you cannot say I didn't do it. You have all the logs. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now next thing is this server, AAA server has two protocols.
Okay.
They are TechAx and Radius. X and Radius. Whenever you work in the company, they'll say Radius server, TechAx server. So just don't get confused. Both are same. All are AAA only. Understood? That's why I'm giving the name. So protocol name is TechAx Radius. Now what is the application name is? In Cisco we have application called ICE. In Aruba we have application called ClearPass. So what these devices will do? Application name. This is application name. Understood?
Name. Yes, sir.
Same way we have a MDM application name will be there. Some name. Let me see what is the name. Cisco Mobile. I think some name here. Mobile Device Management. MDM only, I think. Cisco MDM solution. Meraki. Meraki. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Meraki. Cisco Meraki is having that solution. Okay, that's the name of the product. Meraki. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yeah, and the taxes